Do you want to learn how to write headlines that will make people stop, click, and buy? Do you want to learn how to write attention grabbing headlines that will attract buyers? If yes, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to write attention grabbing Facebook ad headlines that will make people stop, click, and buy your product. And I'm going to also be sharing with you my 10-step Facebook ad headline templates that I can use to adapt to your product and come up with amazing Facebook ad headlines that will give you at least one order. I promise you that if you implement it, you see at least one order, and there's a possibility that you see 100 orders. So before we go into the practical sessions, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If no, then you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I share actionable tips that you can help to grow your e-commerce business. Everything I share in this channel is useful, no fluff, no theory, all from real life experience, what I use to get orders on a daily basis in my e-commerce business. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also make sure you watch this video to the end and like this video so that YouTube can spread this video to more people. Now let's get into the practical session. Hello and welcome to this section of the video. Now I'm going to be sharing with you my 10-step Facebook ad headline templates, and I'm also going to be sharing with you examples of how to use them. And now, number one, get desired results without biggest pain stroke obstacle. Example, get more customers without increasing your ad budget with this Facebook ads course. Number two, get a flatter tummy without dumping your favorite food with Slimora detox tea. You can see how I infused it. You can see how I adapted it. Now you just adapt it to your own product. Step two, number two, stop painful, ineffective stroke action. Start desired results. Stop painful, ineffective action and start desired results. Example, stop wasting money on ads. Start getting consistent sales. Stop having pot belly. Start getting a flat and slim stomach with Slimora detox tea. Now, number three, template three. Are you making this number of mistakes that are costing you / desired results? Example, are you making these three mistakes that are costing you sales? Are you making these three mistakes that's making your stomach bigger? You can adapt it to your products. Step four, how to desired results even if common objection and problem. Now let me show you how I use it. Example, how to get customers consistently even if you have a small audience. How to get a flat stomach even if you like eating fufu. You can see how I adapted it, so you can now adapt it to your own product, whichever product you are selling. Number five, discover how to specific results using method, system, product. Example, discover how to turn more Facebook leads into paying customers using this 3-step Facebook ad system. Discover how to lose tummy fat in 90 days using Slimora detox tea. Number six, 300 plus customers confirm that product works for desired outcome. Click here to get yours. 300 plus customers say that this 3-step Facebook ad system give them a truckload of orders. 300 plus customers say that Slimora detox tea is the best tea for losing weight. I specifically use this template for my own product. Why it works is because it says 300 customers. When someone reads this type of headline, they assume that, oh, a lot of people have tried your product and they say it works. They confirm that it works. So they want to be part of the winning team. That's why they click and order. So it works. People don't want to be the first person to use your product. So this headline works very well. I use it for my own product. Now let's move on. Step 7, how to achieve deepest desired outcome with product. Click here to learn more. How to get 100 orders daily with this Facebook ad system. Click here to learn more. How to achieve figure 8 to Slimora detox tea. Click here to learn more. Number 8, stop negative experience with product. Click to get yours. Stop slow order days with this 3-step Facebook ad system. Stop experiencing bloated stomach with Slimora detox tea. Number 9, state the mouth-watering offer, then click to get yours now. One sachet of Slimora detox tea equals to 18,500. Buy 2 sachets of Slimora detox tea and get one free for 28,000 naira. You can see that this is an offer-based headline. It makes people who are interested in your products click and with the mentality that they are going to buy. No, you don't just want people who are just interested in your product to be clicking out to your website. You want people who are interested, that have that pain problem, and then they are also interested in buying the product. You want them to be you want Facebook to be sending those type of traffic to your website. That is why this headline template is powerful. Then number 10, achieve your deepest desires with products. Get yours now. Get 100 orders per day with this 3-step Facebook ad system. Get rid of pot belly in 90 days with Slimora detox tea. Now, these are my 10-step Facebook ad templates, Facebook ad headline templates that you can adapt to your own products. Whichever product they are running ads for, you can adapt this to your product. And I promise you that it will get you at least one order, at least one, minimum one order, maximum 100 orders, depending on how you scale your campaign. So this is a very, very highly effective template. Go and implement it in your business, and I promise you that you will surely get results. Thank you. If you have watched this video to this part, I can assure you that you have gotten in your hands my 10-step Facebook ad headline templates that you can go and adapt to your business, to your own product, and go and make money off of it. You can watch this video, rewind it back, and then use it and go and just implement it in your business. Or if you want to have access to my templates for free of charge, just signify in the comment section and I'll tell you how to get it. Signify in the comment section that you want this template and I'm going to send it to you via email. Just signify in the comment section. And also, if you want to learn more about e-commerce business, I have a course for you. You want to learn about the 10 best-selling product, the 10 top-selling, fast-selling product that you can start selling today in your e-commerce business to start making money. I have the Millionaire Maker Hot Products Blueprint. It will show you 10 types of product that you can start selling to start making money from your e-commerce business. Also, if you want to learn how to build a profitable WhatsApp group, a profitable email list that can be printing money on demand for you, I have the profitable email and WhatsApp marketing blueprints. Check it in the description below. It's very, very powerful. It's going to teach you how to be minting money every day from your WhatsApp group and your email list. I'm going to show you how to do just that. Also, if you want to learn how to turn your Facebook ads profile into a money-making machine, you can learn that in the course below. Check in the link in the description. I also have the done for you brand to cash sales funnel system. This is for people who want to launch a product. They want me to create a product, a branding for you, a product branding for your business. You want me to help you create Facebook ad copies for your business. You want me to create Facebook ad headlines that will attract buyers to your business. I have the brand to cash sales funnel system for you. And also I will help you create a profitable and persuasive sales letter that will make customers beg you to buy your products. Like, that's how powerful my sales letters are. We get orders on a daily basis. You're cashing out, baby. You're cashing out. So just check in the link in the description, get all my courses if you're interested in any of them, and implement. I promise you that you will get value, pure value from it, and you will thank me in years to come when money starts coming into your pockets, when you start getting those alerts. So make sure you watch my videos. My videos are there, like my free videos alone, the value choke. The value choke, because this is These are things that I've gotten from years of experience, just creating all these things, running all these ads, spending money on a daily basis. I have my YouTube video. I'm going to share a screenshot of my latest Facebook ad campaigns where I spent over 2 million naira on ads, getting orders, and we're almost approaching 1,000 orders in our for a particular product that we just launched like 2 months ago. So it is powerful. All what I'm teaching works. You just have to go and implement it for yourself. So thank you, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, better subscribe. They are missing. Turn on the notifications. Anytime I make a post, you get an alert, because I make posts at least 3 times a week, depending on how my schedule can go. 3 times a week. So like this video. If you want to get my templates, Signify in the comments section. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.